In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to reuse VoiceThread content. We'll look at the tool setup, how to locate your content, and how to make edits. Let's assume that you'd like to create a VoiceThread assignment. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate into our module, into the Week 1 Assignments folder. What I'll do is I'll open that folder up, and I've already got a pre-existing VoiceThread in here, but let's add a new one. Here we'll go ahead and add a content market to set up the tool. We'll navigate down to VoiceThread and we'll select on the plus, not the icon, but the plus. Now notice that we have a new VoiceThread available to us here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select Edit and make that available for the grading. And I'm not going to worry about titling this right now. I'm just going to go with what we've got available there. Now what I'll do is I'll select the VoiceThread itself. And now what I can do is choose Assignment Builder. And let's say I want people to submit a comment. So we'll go ahead and we'll select Submit a Comment. Once we've selected Submit a Comment, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull from my content that I've created. So maybe I want to use this Week 1 PowerPoint. And we can say, submit a comment about this presentation. And before we do that, I almost forgot to show you this. Notice that you have the preview, edit, and make a new copy to share. If this is content that you are pulling from a previous course that you want to use, I might recommend that you select this make a new copy to share. Look at what this says. It says create a new copy of this VoiceThread, title and describe the new version, then choose which comments to include. The area that you want to particularly look at down here is which comments would you like to keep. I'd like to keep all comments, include only my comments, or don't include any comments. You probably don't want to use comments from a previous course, so my suggestion would either be to include only my comments or don't include any comments. Now I'll select copy on this, and if I want to change that title, which I should probably do, notice it says copy. I'm going to change this out, and I'm going to select save. And now we'll go ahead and create the assignment. And I'll launch or deploy the assignment by selecting Create Assignment. I'll return to the course. And we've seen this before. Notice that Blackboard kind of has a freak out moment, so I'll just refresh the page. Go to my Week 1 module. Navigate down to Assignments. And here's that VoiceThread that we set up. Now this will be integrated with your gradebook, but it will also be void of comments that may have carried over from pre-existing classes. And hopefully we'll be redirected here. There we go. So you can see now I would view the PowerPoint assignment, and it's prompting me to leave comments. And that's how you'd set that up and clear out comments from previous course videos. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.